makes your kiosk. Pixel made me do this. I did not want to play this, but yeah, it's a horror game. I don't like horror. And let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, he forced me. Bruh, that's only one player. We need two. Deep. We're here, two player. Okay, yeah. Oh no, I'm actually kind of scared. I'm kind of scared. I am so scared. Hey, what? Oh. The door? Okay, okay.
Bro, enter to the back
Welcome
door.
to your night shift at Shawarma
Finally,
Kiosk.
voice
Let's
revealing.
start with the basics. Step 1.
Bro,
Is the mic on?
Bro, why are you bold? Why are you bold? Bro is
You're bold as
bold.
well. You're bold as well.
Why are you bold?
You as well.
Open
Is
the
mic
gate,
on, though?
bro.
Is the mic on?
Skip the tutorial. Bro, open the gate.
Is the mic
Yeah.
on? So they can hear our voices.
Yes.
Okay.
Bro is the rock.
Lalo sa'yo. You too, bro. You too.
Bro lit the whole earth with his bulb.
Hey, yo. You too as well. Yeah, you're bald, but you have horns. And you have glasses when you don't even have eyes. Bro.
Yo, is he smiling?
X-ray. Why does she keep going like that? Why does she keep dancing?
Is she smiling?
Lavash. It's the lavash. I'm gonna get
Lavash.
the grill ready. I'm gonna chop some. Put the lavash on the wood.
Bro, why do we have no meat?
Wood board. Add the sauce. Put the lavash on the sauce.
Add cheese. Bro!
What? Place on the lavash. And the
Add
salad.
salad.
Salad. I don't know. Add the meat. Over here.
Meat.
I'm gonna turn it on.
Meat!
Go.
Bro, I have the meat.
Oh, huh?
I have the meat.
I have the meat.
What? Ano, I have the meat. I have the meat.
What does it work?
I have the meat. What the hell? I have the meat.
I'm gonna check the back.
Bro, there's nothing in the back. I have the meat, bro. I have the
There's someone here. Hello, can I get a shawarma, please? Wow. That guy was weird.
Bro, read this. Read this.
Read
Read this. Read this.
Your big bald head is covering it. Okay. Welcome to the night shift. Stay calm and follow the rules. If a smiling customer comes in, if a smiling customer comes in, hand him a soda. And the wet floor moving bundle he gives you, huh? The wet moving bundle he gives you.
Bro, we got a customer!
Stay sealed under the counter.
Bro, we got a customer.
Every Friday around 2 a.m. a car with no driver will arrive. That's the inspector. Exit through the back door immediately. Never look at the shawarma during the inspection ever. Should the meat on the skewer to pulse and mount. Turn off the grill and
Bro, stop yapping.
do not listen to the voice in the meat. They only want you to stay. Okay. If a faceless customer comes to order, serve him but never look direct at his face. Some customers must not be served at all. Close the window immediately. In case of unusual or unknown anomalies, the circumstances
Bro is an
assess
unk.
the threat and take the most reasonable measure. I am so good at reading. Roll the shawarma, bro.
Bro, your bald head is covering the shawarma. Bro, make the other one.
I'm checking cams if there's something weird.
Bro, check the other one.
Huh?
Bruh,
What? What?
check the cams. Check the cams. Check the cams.
I already checked. What do you want me to check? I see legs outside the front, right next to our shop.
Legs.
Yes.
Legs.
And there's no, that's not legs, that's a pole.
What the hell? You tweaking, bruh.
What is dial? Delivery? That's the signal.
Bro, help me make the salad.
What time is it? What time is it? Oh. How about this? Serve normal customers. Closing the window on them is a mistake. Don't serve anomalous customers. Serving them is a mistake. Each mistake submits the inspect. If there are too many, he'll fix you. Close the window if you don't want to serve the customer.
Bro!
Why should not give in?
Bro, get the drink, bruh. Bro, where's the take?
Okay.
Take.
There. Huh? May I get your
Hell nah.
No.
Hell nah.
Hell nah. I don't use any share my private information with you. What was that?
Bro, I will check the cams. I will check the cams.
Me too.
Bro! Bro, close the fridge. Close the fridge. Close the fridge.
I'm getting scared. Get the heck out of here, bro.
Bro, what the hell?
Get the heck out of here, bro. We served you enough.
Close the gate. Close the thing.
We need to write.
Wait, check the camera, bro. Check the camera. Something's happening.
I'm writing my name.
Bro, why?
I accidentally clicked it.
What the hell?
I closed the door.
Yes! That's
The
it.
game.
20 more seconds.
Oh, hell na.
Oh no. Do you wanna get out?
Bro, close it. Close it. Close. Close. Close.
I already closed it.
20 more seconds.
Evict note.
Bro,
It's
open.
happening.
Open. Open.
Wait, bro, I'm getting something. It says evict note.
Bro, open. Bro, open it. There's a customer. Bro, open.
Oh, sorry.
Bro, do not serve her. Do not serve. Do not serve. Do not serve. Close. 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 Do not serve him. Her. Bro, is a skeleton.
You is a skeleton. You've been starving all day, I can tell. Yeah, because you're a skeleton already.
Okay, open. Open it. Open it.
You
Open
haven't
it.
eaten? Open it.
Open it. Open it.
There. Yeah, get the hell out of here. No one does that in my shop.
Uy! We can turn on some music. Look. Bro, your bald head! Hey!
Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah. Hey. Hey. Bro,
What?
come inside. Look at the floor.
Bro, I know that already. I know that already. Oh, hell no! Hell no! Hell no! Bro, check the camera! Bro, check the camera! Okay, okay, okay.
I closed the door. I mean the gate.
Bro, that's faceless. Bro, that's faceless.
Okay.
Open it again, open it again.
Okay.
How
You're
many
not
more?
out of here. You have no clothes on. Hello?
Bro, look at that! Bro, look at that! Bro, look at that! What the hell?
I'm gonna take the counts.
This guy is safe.
Yeah, bro, Steve.
He's safe. I'd really like to order a shawarma and a coffee. Bro! Get the...
Wash? That will be... What do you say?
Start with lava.
wash.
Bro, get the... Put lava on board. Bro, get the coffee. Bro, get the coffee. Bro, get the coffee.
Huh?
Serve it.
Oh. Where's the coffee?
The coffee machine.
Okay. I'm making coffee. Okay. I made the coffee.
Wait.
Where do I get the coffee? I got it.
We're out of meat. We're out of meat, bro.
We're out of meat?
Go get some meat.
Keep it very steady. The sound is lit.
Bro, I can't see with your bald head.
You have horns with wings. You're like the devil but with wings. And your name is X-Men.
Bro,
You have a bald head but you have a headphone.
bro, why am I taller than you?
What? I am taller than you. bro. Ah!
What happened?
There was an anomaly right here up that window, crawled all the way down.
What the hell? Oh! I saw it.
Yep,
Check
yep,
the
I'm
cams. Check the cams.
He's normal. I'm gonna check the back cam.
Okay.
Nope, no, nothing.
Bro, an anomaly scared me. Check the cams, bro. Bro, I have no meat.
No meat, go get meat right here. Open the grill.
Bro, I'm serving it.
Hold on, I'm gonna take some meat.
What the hell? Bro, the customer's here. Bro, look at the customer.
What the?
What the hell? Bro, close the gate. Close the...
It's gonna...
What the hell was that? Bro, close it. Okay.
Okay, we're good. What the heck was wrong with that guy? Okay, that was nothing expected.
Oh,
What time is it? What time is it?
bro, oh, na. Who's that?
I don't know.
Bro, why'd you turn off the song, bro? Turn on. Hey. Bro, check the cams. New customer. Hello. Bro! Check the cams.
I'm checking.
I can give you something better. Like what? Secret, real
He's
ones.
good.
Okay, I know things about this place. Start with lava. Shh. Okay. Oh, 1:31 a.m. 1:31 a.m.
Where do you...
Besides the coffee machine. It's besides the coffee machine. Bro, it's besides the coffee machine. Bro, your bald head is all over my...
Where's the timer? I don't
Bro,
see
are you blind?
Where?
Here, bro. Lavash.
Oh,
It's 1:31, bro.
1:31.
Bro, what happened to the song?
I'm changing it. Yo, that's more like it.
Bro, the shawarma.
Nah, maybe not.
Give.
Nah,
Okay, let's see the advice. Yes, good
Yes,
trade.
good trade.
Now your reward. Take it. Rotten shawarma? What the hell is this, bro? Hey, yo.
Why are you
What
on
is
the
this?
floor?
Dude, what is this, bro? What the hell is this, bro?
In my dick.
Bro, I'm in some
Why
kind
are
of
you
dimension.
on the floor?
Bro, where
Hold
are...
on, I'm gonna close the gate.
Bro, I'm stuck in another dimension.
Can you get that?
Nah. Oh, yeah.
There.
I got out. Open the gate. Open the... Ano what's it called? One shawarma. Check the cams.
I'm checking.
Turn on
She's
that.
not normal.
Okay.
When I check the cam, she's dancing. Go check.
Oh, 1:56 a.m. 1:56 a.m. Bilisan mo. Ay.
Hurry up. You don't know English.
Bro, get the sauce. Bro, stop.
She is not normal. Okay.
Add some cheese. Lava. Salad. Okay, bro, the shawarma. Okay, here's your order. Okay, okay.
It was
Bro, it's 2 a.m. It's 2 a.m. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Ready, ready. Ready, bro. Ready, ready. It's 2 a.m. Oh, what? Oh, 1:56 a.m. Bro, check the timer. Check the time.
158, 158.
Okay. Nah, bro, close, 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 close.
That was not normal.
Bro,
He was not normal.
that was an anomaly, bruh. We
Bro
need
said
to
we
serve 5 more clients.
Say goodbye. Bro's still there.
Oh! Baby, he's the inspection. I think.
That is not the inspector. He shows up in a car with no driver. Bro is still there.
Hello,
Sure, anything else?
no, just hurry.
All right.
Add some salad, some meat. Bro, we are out of meat. We're almost out of meat, bruh.
Almost.
We're almost out of meat. Don't look at him. Okay, roll the shawarma. Give the shawarma to this guy. Don't close, don't close. What the hell?
Bro,
Is he gone?
as soon as he give it, this guy started climbing. Go, look. Look.
What the hell?
As soon as you see
Oh! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! It's the inspector. Get out! It's the inspector. Close the gate! Hey, close the door! Bro, it's the inspector. Close. Close it. Stay here.
what the Sigma.
Bro!
Continue the shift.
Con-
Continue the shift.
Is he gone?
Bro,
What?
I can't continue.
Huh?
Absolutely continue the shift is now working. Or we are done.
Bruh,
Click return to lobby.
are you serious?
I think
What? Oh my god. Hell na.
bye bye. Bye guys. Bye bye.
Let's do the outro. Let's do the outro. Bye guys.
Bye guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace.
Bye bye.